Okay, my volume should be good on YouTube. DAG, what is DAG? I'm not familiar. You think ETH will dip? I think there's going to be some small dips, so but not major ones. If there was a price target, I would say if it got under 2,600, that should be enough of a dip for you to buy in. So I am live on Instagram. Crypto Zero Layer. Okay. Good morning, user 606, etc. How do you think this regulation talk will affect things short term? I mean, it's not going to be enacted until 2023. And I think if it was going to affect it, it would already be affecting it. It looks very likely to be passing. So follow me on Instagram. I just a few minutes ago created an account. I am not a big Instagram guy, but I'm going to try to make it work. So what's up, Zlatan? All right, 1 second again. Did I miscalculate? People say 9 ETH mines per minute, but the math doesn't add up. 12,800 a day, Crypto Hustler, is about on average. It's not a set amount, but 12,800 a day. And so divide that by 24 minutes. Divide that by 24 minutes, 60 minutes, 24 hours, and you should get it. So. What about Tel? Tel is number one on my list of coins that I wish I owned, but I don't own any. I think it could be good. So what altcoins have the best chance of 2 or 3x within the next 12 months? I think almost all of them will 2 or 3x in the next 12 months, but Ethereum is probably the best bet. Still good to buy Bitcoin, or one more drop to come? I would say Noxy. I think now is a good time to buy Bitcoin. Yeah, hello. Crypto Hustler. Hello, Anaste, Anna's Tech Tricks. Oh, Anna's Tech Tricks. I've finally pronounced your name right. Hope you're having a good day. Any idea about Quant? It's dipping today. Is it? I have not seen Quant today. All right, 1 second. When's your uncle coming back? Give it another week or so, he'll be back. 174, is that the price right now for Quant? I wouldn't consider that a big dip. Oh, never mind, 166. I'd say inch your way in. So, hey, all right, wave. I'm going to wave to Jenny Lugo. I will get another microphone for TikTok. The audio is probably not all that great on Instagram. So, all right, 1 second now. Let's see. Could we see a small dip on this weekend? We could. Hey, what's up, Redbeard? I mean, the last few weekends haven't been awful. So, all right, thanks for the info. How about cake? Now I just have to figure out how to use it. Yeah. Will Bitcoin fall or can we buy? I would say buy. Inch your way in. Any thoughts on ACH? I don't know enough, sorry. What is Quant's fundamentals? Is it a solid project in your opinion? Yeah, Crypto Oracle, I mean, the big thing that appeals to me about it, two big things appeal to me about. Oh, did somebody try calling in? I missed somebody trying to call in, which I don't know if I'm gonna say yes to that. Hey, Regid, I'm live on Instagram, on YouTube, and on TikTok. It would only work on TikTok for people to call in right now. So maybe another time if you're trying to call in. Let's see. Oh, so Quant interoperability. Big things with central banks wanting to get into crypto. They have that chance to do so through Quant, and their tokenomics, 14.5 million. ACH has done a deal with Binance and Shopify. Excellent. Quant has to correct at least a little. Yep. Sorry, I'm getting behind. Good morning, Stacy. Is it good to buy Compound? I don't know enough about Compound. Hot prediction somewhere between 10 and 20x from here. Was waiting for the stream. Hey, thank you, Alice. Hello, Pipeline. Ether Gang. Yeah, definitely. Regid on YouTube, on Instagram. Man, you're all over. Best platform for staking your crypto. I mean, I like PancakeSwap. Check that out. I made a video about it. I think we are at the new floor for most cryptos now. Yeah, I think so. Regid, I'm doing well. Yeah, doing well. Yeah, comp, don't know enough. XRP price prediction after the lawsuit ends, maybe about $3 or so. Any info on DAG? Don't know enough, sorry. Any thoughts on this bill the government is about to pass? It's not great, but it's going to enact in 2023, so we have time. And the fact that it's not priced, the fact that like the market hasn't dumped, I think is a good sign. Dougie Fresh, I don't have a Clubhouse, sorry. Maybe I'll do that eventually. Hey, what's up, Jack? Does Theta have a platform similar to YouTube? Yeah, you could make videos on Theta, get some coins on that. Been buying and selling ACH. All right. Bought in XRP. What's it going up to? I think $8 to $10 this cycle. Quant does what Quant does. Yeah. Alchemy Pay pumping to do the Binance deal. All right. Someone said DeFi blows upward before Bitcoin. Maybe. I think I saw. I don't remember who said that, but yeah. All right. Are you going to collaborate with other crypto influencers again? Eventually. I'm kind of. I don't know. I'd love to. Yeah. Compound and Aave are solid. I weekly DCA those. Nice. Thoughts on DOT long term? I think it's a good long term one. AXS, bro. It got really hot. I would stay away short term. Wait for it to settle down. So, when is the dead cat coming back? Yeah, there we go. What do you think of ETH? I love ETH. I am mostly loading up on ETH right now. ICP talk. I'm not a fan of ICP as far as like what they did to dump their shares or their coins, but the platform seems solid. So, what is your plan for the possible bear market? Sell before that and enter mid downturn. For my alts, yeah, not for my Bitcoin or Ethereum, not for my Chainlink or HBAR, and I'll sell a little bit of my Binance, but everything else, yeah. If you sell and make profit and rebuy more using your profit, do you have to pay taxes still? Yes. Hey, bro. Hey, what's up, Neutral? Thoughts on Reef? I don't know enough about Reef. Man, I'm way behind. Okay. AUG compared to Theta. Man, I'm still learning about AUG. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but I'm bullish. I like Theta a lot, so... Let's see. Am I the next to get banned? I hope not. Finance After 40 said it's about DeFi rising first. Okay. Thoughts on Matic? Good time to buy now? In general, yeah. I think we're moving up. So anything on ETH? Yeah, I love ETH. Why don't all the inferences stream, etc. on Theta, and there will be no problems with getting banned? Yeah, that might be a next step for me. Why are they banning all the crypto guys? It's the promotions, the promotions of garbage coins, which I never did, so I guess I don't have to worry about that. Virtual Bacon sold out all his Bitcoin. I called him out on that. He sold out at like 29K. Do you think HOT will 20x by the end of cycle? Yes. EVN will be twice the size of Aave. Okay. Why are you bullish about Matic only short midterm? Why not long? Because of ETH 2.0. I'm a little concerned about that stealing away from Matic's thunder a little bit. This live stream is brought to you by Dunkin' Donuts. Oh my goodness, how about I swallow before I talk? ETH to get closer to Bitcoin this year, yes. My accountant is going to murder me for my short-term trades. Theta is booming. Yeah, Theta's up. You think we're expecting a dip soon? Dips will be small. I don't think, what do you mean by a dip? Like 25%? I don't think so, no. When is the bear market supposed to happen? When should I sell all my altcoins? Probably, well, when you see things go parabolic, that's what I would say. When you see things go parabolic, get very scared. When that euphoria hits, which it might not hit for Bitcoin, but it'll hit for other things, get very nervous. So, all right, 1 second. Let's see. Quant to four figures in 6 months. Ooh, I don't think so. What's up, Nunez? Willing to fight you that Joey was the funniest Friends cast member. I think he was the worst. Maybe no, Phoebe was the worst, but Joey was down there. Do you have to pay taxes when converting crypto only when you sell? I think you have to pay when you convert. as well, unfortunately. As long as you don't promote your good, I hope so. Let's see, saw your video on Twitter about cake. Do you stake your ETH and DOT there when mentioning it? I don't stake my ETH and DOT there, no. But there are ways to farm ETH that are very attractive. So, 88 have a big month, I think so. Matic will speed up along with ETH 2.0. I hope you're right, Crypto Hustler. You seem to know good stuff about that kind of stuff. Wow, for something. Bitcoin end of the year prediction like 80,000 or so. Jake Watson, but 200,000 at the peak. So I think that's going to happen in 2022. If I don't have enough for a node, do you recommend any places to stake ETH? I would just hold it on Celsius or BlockFi, something like that, or Voyager. Matic will speed up along. Oh, yeah, I saw that. ETH 2.0 big moves. It'll pump for sure. Yeah. I answered that. Do you think the bill in Senate will affect price? No. Not quite. It's just it's really sad for the United States in the future, but it should have affected the price by now. So Cardano, my thoughts: $8 this cycle. Yield finance, don't know enough. Sorry. Will we see ETH close to 2K ever again? I don't think so. No, I think that the general momentum of the market right now is up, and that Bitcoin is still underpriced, and ETH will pump up with it. So Beard is back already a little bit. Yeah. Let's see. ETH is morphing into something that a bear market can't deplete like before. Yeah, you might be right about that. Saw a tax guy say you can sell crypto to register a loss, then buy back literally the next day. Yeah. You said in your videos that we are in a bull market now. Where is it? I did not say in my videos. I said I'm this close to declaring we are back in a bull market, but not yet. All right. Thank you for your thoughts, Pickle Cannon. What do you think about XDC and any end of cycle prediction? I don't have one for XDC. Higher. I think it'll outperform XLM and XRP. So I have ETH on Celsius at 3.5%. Is there anywhere better? I think, oh man, BlockFi might be 4%. Check out PancakeSwap as well. Is staking cake risky? You know, I have $50,000 worth of cake staked, and I trust it enough. So Cardano, I answered that. When are we expecting a bear market? I would say things are going to peak in early to mid 2022. Thank you, Deltron. Yeah, technicals give. Sorry, here we go. What if ETH 2.0 drops in the bear market? Oh, it probably will. So load up. But I'm not taking any chances with that because we're running out of ETH on exchanges. When alts pump, should I sell the most and buy back in the bear market? Yes. Are we expecting SEC against ETH? Not that I've heard of. I was planning to buy 10 to 20K more crypto this cycle. What would you recommend to buy and when? Mostly Ethereum. And I would say I would encourage you to buy now, or if you want to wait for a dip in September. I could see September not being a great month, but I don't know if it's going to dip to the today's prices in September. I know you love ETH, and so do I, but at what price? Oh, man. Would you start selling? I might sell 1 or 2 of my ETH at the end of this, no matter what the price goes to, but I probably won't sell any more until 6 figures. When you say the cycle, do you mean by middle of 2022? Around then, yeah. What about Get? I don't know anything about Get. Coinbase is 5% for ETH. Okay. I see the top on S&P today or the next week. Yeah, and that will affect crypto, so that's something to keep in mind. How do you feel about the Robinhood stock? I'm not a fan of Robinhood, so, great. Vlad the Impaler is a billionaire. Congratulations, Vlad, I guess. What do you think about, so I've talked a lot about the regulations. They are ridiculous. I don't think they've had any effect. They should have had an effect by now, but bad news is not affecting crypto right now. So that's a good sign. FET, don't know enough. VRA, I like Theta more, but I do like VRA. When will Crow hit a dollar or around there? Probably like 2024. Government bonds looking weak. Delta on the horizon. Economy tanks. Crypto follows. We'll see. Are you saying crypto is exempt from the wash rule? What's the wash rule? Oh, no. I know what you're saying. No, I'm not saying that. Is it time to get off Matic and jump on Nami, guys? Oh, yeah. People have been telling me to look into into Nami. I don't own any, so XLM price prediction. It's not moving much. I've been saying $5 at the end of the cycle. So where can you see quant by end of the year? I don't do quant predictions. Quant does what quant does. That's my big quote with quant. I could see it at its current price. I could see it much higher. So crypto is exempt from wash rule. It's not a stock. Okay. All right. There we go. Are you even aware BSC is a sketchy hacked version of Ethereum? I am aware of BSC's issues. I still am perfectly fine using PancakeSwap. Voyager at 4.6 for ETH. All right. Are we going to crush the year-to-date highs in alts this cycle? Yeah, I think so. I'm very confident about that. Or at the very least, get back to it. So, guys, I am live on YouTube. I'm live on Instagram now. I just created an Instagram. I'll be posting there a little bit. So follow me on Instagram. How about the backs? Don't know enough. Amp's at a good buying price. Coinbase is 5% for ETH, but you have to convert it to ETH2 and you can't touch it. Oh, all right. So you have to hold on to it. Hello from Sydney. Excellent. It's wow. All right, you're after midnight there. Short ETH and Bitcoin a bit to take profit or don't touch it. I would say don't touch it. So XRP price this bull run $8 to $10. Hey, I'm doing well, not sir. HC. I hope you're doing well too. Is Doge worth investing? I think at some point yes, but not right now. Harmony is good. It's underrated. That's all I'll say. So what do you think about FTT token? Oh, man, there was somebody I was listening to yesterday. I think it was Crypto Weatherman, and he said FTT is way overbought right now, and so I trust him with that. What's the backdrop behind you? It's my Instagram, my new Instagram. Yeah, you can't really see it. Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I just created one. Do you know anything about MYV? No. All right, hold on a second. People dropping Bit Digital name around. Have you heard anything? No, I haven't. Will there be another dip in ETH anytime soon? I think if you see it under 2,700, you should buy some. I'm going to wave at people on Instagram. Okay. I will get a lavalier microphone for my Instagram as well. So, all right, Matic price prediction, $8. 30 days after you sell loss, you can't buy in without losing the loss for taxes. There we go. All right. See, that's why I don't like talking taxes, because there's so many things that I just don't want to mislead people with taxes of all things. What coins are you investing in right now? Pretty much just Ethereum. No, Ethereum and Litecoin. Guys, Litecoin on my Twitter account, WWBitcoin. Follow me there. A couple of days ago, I retweeted this thread about Litecoin, and I am convinced that Litecoin's about to shoot up, and that's like the best coin for short-term gains. Yeah, Litecoin, Childish Gambino, AMC. I'm talking crypto now, but I have my eyes on it. Don't know much about MYV. How do you feel about Zilliqa? I'm intrigued about Zilliqa. All right, it sounds decent. Good to know, Regid. I'm intrigued about Zilliqa. I saw something about partnerships with gaming that I'm like, oh, okay. Is Zilliqa going to move into gaming? If so, then I'm down. Is VeChain worth it? Yes, I think so. You're welcome, Smooth Rider. Alchemy, still don't know enough. I never got questions about Alchemy until this week. So I don't know enough about MTV. XRP will do well after the lawsuit is over. So should I buy more VeChain or ETH short money? ETH. Harmony, gold, or biosciences? No, nothing. Sorry, man. VGX token is going up. Do you like Voyager's token? Yeah, I do. I like all platform tokens. BNB in a few years, I don't think it'll ever grow to the same level as BNB, but it could definitely do well. So, when will utility define the price of a coin? Yeah, that's a good question. Give it time. There's a lot of cryptos that have come and gone. They've died because they have no utility. And eventually, crypto is 12 years old. Eventually, they will decouple from Bitcoin. What are some altcoins to buy right now? Litecoin and ETH, if you want to call ETH an alt. MetaHero is bridging the real world with the metaverse. Future of everything. 3D, including gaming, 3D NFTs. All right. I don't like Robinhood. What do you think about CKB Nervos Network? Don't know enough, sorry. Do I know HBAR? Yeah, HBAR is a long-term hold for me. I I expect it to go to double digits, maybe even triple digits this decade. Is it true Ethereum, oh man, is burning quicker than it is mined right now? I seen an article about it yesterday. I don't know. Watch my TikTok from yesterday about Ethereum, about EIP 1559 being launched. It needs to burn 8.88 ETH per minute. I think it's per minute. Or per hour. No, per minute. It needs to burn 8.88 ETH. Can we buy Litecoin now? Yeah, I think so. Congrats on the new accounts. Thank you, MX. Litecoin priced this bull run over $1,000 in my opinion. I don't know enough about CKB. Did you take a look at API 3? No, sorry, Jay Bowen. Litecoin has jumped. Litecoin has jumped to crazy amounts before. I'm invested at the moment in Litecoin. Yeah, Jose, it's definitely a short-term play. That's not something I want to be holding through the bear market, not at all. But I mean, I could see it going over $1,000. So, what about Quant? Thoughts? Quant is a beast. I don't own enough Quant. I love Quant. Yeah, Litecoin, Regid, I'm telling you. I don't own enough Quant. I wish I had more Quant, but I'm too afraid to buy some right now. But man, 1,000, 10,000 this decade, I could see it. So, what do you think about one? Yeah, again, I think it's okay. Do you think now is a good time to buy ETH? I think you should always be dollar cost averaging your way in. I hate to sound like a broken record on that, but yes, today, tomorrow, the next day. I mean, I think it's going to $15,000 this cycle. So, what about Coinbase and their fees? Try Coinbase Pro. Where can I buy HBAR in the UK? Ooh, I don't know. I know you can buy it on Voyager, but I don't think you can have Voyager on the UK in the UK. Everyone here regurgitates what they hear on TikTok. LOL. Does anyone do their own research? No comment. How do you feel about Uphold? So the app bought Quant at 104, sold at 124. Hey, 20%. There you go. Where was I? Oh, Uphold. I have Uphold on my phone. I don't have any money on it. I've heard very good things about it. The app looks pretty sleek, so I'm feeling good about it. XRP, ADA, VeChain, I think they're all good. I like them all. So sold all my Quant for 100% gain. Hey, yeah, I already have 20 ETH. Would you buy back into Quant, Litecoin, or more ETH? I would say Litecoin or ETH right now. ETH is the safer play. Litecoin is the one that will get you the best potential returns. If I buy 10K today, how much would you put in ETH and where would you put the rest? 40% in ETH, 25% in Bitcoin, and then spread out the rest. Litecoin, Quant, Chainlink, Matic, Theta, Maker. I could go on. XRP. Senior video and article that it said it's burning 10.2 per minute. Don't know if it's true or not. It fluctuates, Sky, more. That's the thing. It fluctuates. So is it right now burning 10.2 a minute? Maybe not. Check out EtherChain. etherchain.org//burn, I think it's what it's called. Follow me on Instagram, guys. I'm live on Instagram right now. Why is Litecoin going to go up? Follow that thread that I posted on my Twitter account, Regid. All right, I'm planning on going all in 1,000 on Quant. Where price should I buy in on? I don't know. I mean, it's dipping today. It's down to 166. Maybe put like 250 on it right now. Let's see. I could link you the article on Twitter later if you want to read it. Yeah, I'll check it out. What will you hold during the bear market? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. Is BT a buy? I don't know. What do you think of Hex? Hex. What do I think about Hex? I don't know. I don't know who to believe. I bought some Hex. I've made a 12x return on it or something like that, and I'm holding it. And other people are saying it's a scam, but I'm up 12x. Harmony One, again, I'm just going to say I don't know enough about Harmony One. What are you calling short-term on Litecoin? No price predictions, but in comparison, it's going to outperform Bitcoin, in my opinion, and it's going to outperform it by a lot. What are the benefits of investing in ETH when you can make a better return on the smaller cryptos? Man, I hate questions like that. I'm sorry, Perth woman. I really hate questions like that. Can you make better returns on smaller cryptos? Yes, you can. But you could also buy smaller cryptos that don't do anything, and then they peak out, and you're not going to be able to time the peak, and then they'll crash really hard and be worth nothing. So Okay, what's the username? Man, misconfig_exe. Let's see. Ether 15K, did you say? Yes. Still think 3,200 ETH by Monday next week. I did not say that. Anchor is going to exist long term, so I'm bullish on it long term. No price predictions. How many ETH mined per day? 12,800. Still trying to link my bank account to Uphold. I can deposit, not withdraw. Oh my goodness, that's of course. Litecoin price this bull run over 1,000. I don't know enough about Engine. Sorry. Recommendations for projects looking to challenge Upwork/Fiverr 24. I don't know. Yeah. Nami will be the best layer 2. Just take a look at it. Latest interview with founder Jacobo. I might. Maybe I will. Maybe not. ICP. I'm not a fan of ICP, but that's just because of the things that they did, not because of the platform itself. Check out Casper. If it's gone parabolic, I'm not going to check it out. I'll take a look at ACH one day, but not right now. Chainlink $200 this bull run, I believe so. Yes. BT is bit digital. Okay. What happened to the ETH drop on the 5th? Is the drop still coming? I don't think so. No, it did drop, K-Dukes. It was a short period of time that it dropped, and then a whale came in and was like, thank you very much for this $2,539 Ethereum. Hola, 24/7 Anon. Is advanced miner Forex legit? I don't know what that is. What cryptos should I invest in, and should I wait for another dip? You should invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum if you don't have any crypto right now, and don't wait for another dip. Dollar cost average your way in. Buy some now, buy some later, etc., etc. Thoughts on Kusama? I really like Kusama. I like their partnership with Polkadot. I don't have any price predictions for it. What's a good cryptocurrency platform to use? My favorite is Voyager. Download Voyager. Use my referral code ALE749. A is in Apple, L is in Larry, E is in Elephant, 749. You get $25 of free Bitcoin, and you'll skip the waiting list. All right. I am live on YouTube, by the way, so subscribe to my YouTube, and I'm live on Instagram, so follow me on Instagram. I'm tripling it up today. So I tried to drop 20,000 in Casper whenever the presale happened. Friend's aunt is the co-founder. Okay. Thoughts on VeChain? I love VeChain. It's not a long-term. I will be selling all of it at the end of this bull run. It dipped pretty hard in 2018. So Mustard. Can't wait to try and keep up. Yeah, when the real bull run happens. Yeah. Dot versus Kusama. I just talked about that. ICP is moving today on Coinbase for some reason. Interesting. Let's see. ICP. Oh yeah, it's doing well. Ethereum below 2,000. I don't think so. VET price prediction around $1. Got money everywhere but DGB. How do you really feel? Not sure what you're saying, bloke. Thoughts on EOS? Don't know enough. That is why ICP. Yeah, Sambo. Yep. Hive looks promising to challenge Upwork Fiverr. Okay. VET price prediction, $1 or so. What do you think of Anchor Protocol? Do you mean ANKER? If so, I like it. I think it's going to exist long term. Ooh, Voyager waiting list for 4 months. It might be because you're in New York. Yeah. Aave price predictions, easily 4 figures, but I don't know where. Hi, I designed thumbnails for YouTube video that can help you boost. Let's get in touch. Message me. Send me a message. ACH thoughts again. I know that it got listed on Coinbase or something. I have not looked into it. Nobody has ever asked me about ACH until this week. Will Robinhood ever have a crypto wallet? I hope so, Dougie Fresh. They say they will. So we'll see. Can cryptocurrencies be purchased in fractions? Yes, absolutely. What is a bull run? A bull run is generally when things go up. Crypto bull runs are based on, for the time being, on Bitcoin's halvings. Theta thoughts. I love Theta. Top 10 favorite for me. I could see it hitting $50 this cycle. So Solana is on the up too. Excellent. Yes. ETH in 2025. I have no idea. I really want. I've been saying $15,000 this cycle. So could it triple by 2025 from there? Perhaps. Yeah, that's why people are asking me about ACH. Yeah, Robinhood's the worst app. Yeah. because it's up 127%, which means stay away from it for the short term. Have you heard of Kava? Any thoughts? I've heard of it. I don't have any thoughts. Sorry. Digibyte, nothing. What about new NFT games like RevoMoon? I mean, gaming is where it makes a lot of sense for NFTs. I don't know what Revomon is, but sure, it could do well, or it could turn into a massive bubble. FOMO is starting to kick in on Bitcoin and ETH. I hope so. But I don't know about yet. When in December, when Bitcoin crossed its all-time high, it was still pretty much under the radar. And so now it may be something similar where nobody's going to pay attention to Bitcoin and ETH until they cross their all-time highs again. Oh, Anchor Pro. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, I don't know enough about it. What do you think of ICP? I hate ICP with the heat of 1,000 suns. Thoughts on Compound? I don't know. I don't know enough. Why so bullish on Litecoin suddenly? Again, on my Twitter account, Marshmallow Crypto, I retweeted this thread explaining basically like Litecoin is at a point right now in comparison to Bitcoin where anytime it hits this point, it like shoots up the Litecoin Bitcoin price. But there was like 12 other reasons on this thread why you should buy Litecoin. So Vive and Marvel first Spider-Man NFT. There we go. Finally, Omi. Why do you like VeChain? There's nothing like VeChain. It makes a lot of sense bringing blockchain technology to supply chain analytics, to the supply chain, And so, yeah, ETH will flip Bitcoin by 2025. I agree. Thoughts on bots like Bitsgap? I don't use Bitsgap, but I do have one called Pionex, and it hasn't done very well. I'm a little skeptical. Quant price prediction, that's one that I will purposely not predict. Anybody trying to predict quant is just full of steam. There's no legit quant prediction that you can make. Quant does what quant does. That is my quote. You can turn that into an NFT or something. Quant does what quant does. When is the next bull run? After the 2024 Bitcoin halving. I mean, there's a bull run that's going to be happening now-ish, that like we're still in a bull run. We're in a bear phase within a bull run. Ravencoin, don't know enough. Mana thoughts. I mean, Mana has been here. It's not trying to take advantage of this gaming NFT boom. Yeah, Quant is in its own market. Yeah. So I'm very bullish on Mana. ATA, don't know enough. Is Matic due for a nice run? Not yet, but I still think we need to see some, Bitcoin and ETH gain some of the dominance. So, but it will. Yeah, ETH will flip Bitcoin not in price, but in market cap. Your thoughts on ICP? Again, I hate ICP with the heat of 1,000 suns. So, let's see. What was I looking? Oh yeah, I know what I was doing here. Litecoin. What is good about it? I mean, honestly, it's antiquated. There are certain things that they're working on. It's not a long-term hold for me. I'm looking at it as I do believe that it has the potential to be like a digital silver to Bitcoin's digital gold. 84 million Litecoin will ever exist. Litecoin has 4-year halvings. But its price right now in comparison to Bitcoin, it's going to shoot up. Do you think we will go under 30K again? No, I don't. I've been saying that consistently. I thought you would know that, Marshmallow Crypto. Sorry. All right. All right. ETH looks weak today as compared to Bitcoin. I mean, ETH pumps like crazy over the last 2 weeks. Give it a break. Good morning, Caesar. Yeah, Mana, just shared about Mana. I like Mana. ICP, I hate ICP with the heat of 1,000 suns. Chainlink price this March 2022. Jennifer, you seem pretty fixated on March, as if you think that that's when the peak of everything is going to be, and it may or may not be. But if that's the peak, I'll say $200. VXV, again, I don't know enough, sorry. Litecoin has been around for 10 years. There's a lot to be said for that. Yeah, for that kind of trust in this market. Another thing, I mean, think about the Robinhood investor. What's available on Robinhood? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Doge, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic, and that's it. And so in Doge is a Litecoin it's built on Litecoin. And so people investing in Doge, that's what drove up the price of Litecoin in earlier this year, April and May of 2021. And so as Doge goes up, that's just going to drive up the price of Litecoin too. XLM looks like it's getting in position to do something. Always long consolidation phases though. Yes, let's see XLM. Filecoin, I don't know enough, sorry. Oh man, you know what? I've been neglecting the YouTube chat. Is there anything on YouTube that I need to respond to? Quant does what Quant wants. How will you feel when ADA flips BNB? That's probably going to happen. I'm not sure. Oh man, I've missed so many comments on YouTube. I am so sorry. All right, XLM's at 27 cents, 28 cents. It should do well. Yeah, Anna, yeah. Omi. ACH has been wild, yeah, which is why I would recommend staying away from it for the short term. Yeah, Anna, all right, sorry. How will you feel when I answered that? I'll feel fine about that. Robinhood is the Pablo. Okay, Jose, I'm not going to finish your comment here. Started mining Pi with you. Interesting project. Yeah, maybe it'll be. I think it'll be worth something one day. And Litecoin hasn't hit its 2017 high yet. I'm pretty sure it did hit it, but it's below it now. So, have you heard of Trava.finance? First, no, I haven't. All right, decentralized lending marketplace. Litecoin is a long-term hold. Wow. Okay. Thank you for the Panda. Shiba Inu is going to be outperformed by pretty much everything else over the next 3 months, but it will go up again. XRP will go higher after the SEC suit is over. I am predicting $8 to $10 for XRP. ETH end of the year prediction $5,000. End of the cycle $15,000. What's your favorite coin besides ETH and Bitcoin right now? Maybe Chainlink. Can you explain what staking is? I don't know how that works. You hold a crypto on a platform. You get rewards in a percentage. I prefer PancakeSwap.finance. Hey, ZK Pablo. Will we retrace back to 32K? I don't think so. Nope. SafeMoon. SafeMoon's going to be outperformed by a lot of other cryptos over the next 3 months. I have lost my mind. Tell me more. Luna, short term, stay away. Stay away. Polkadot. I like Polkadot. I've been saying $200 this cycle. How long should someone hold Litecoin in the short term? Just take profits. You see it double, you see it triple, take some profits. But I do think it's going to go over $1,000 this cycle. So when do you get the reward? Every day or week or month? It depends on the crypto. It depends on the platform. You know, for PancakeSwap, I get it like in real time. So Terra, don't really know enough. Sorry. Bitcoin 43K and ETH 29.90 in August. Thoughts, please. I think Bitcoin will flirt with $50,000 this month. ETH, I could see around 29.90. Yeah. Will you take profits in Link during the run or hold and buy more during the bear? I'll take a little bit of profits, but then yeah, definitely be loading up during the bear. What about Doge? Doge is another one that's going to be outperformed by everything else. Meme coins are going to get outperformed over the next 3 months. You think it's a good move to buy more ETH? Yes, yes. And why is it going up? EIP 1559, and it's due. It was underpriced. Ragid, thank you. Veracity, I like Theta more. If a person makes 6 figures cryptocurrency, how much capital is needed? At this point, I would say that you could maybe hope to 5x, so $20,000. What's going to go over $1,000? Litecoin. What is the highest Shiba Inu will go to? Thoughts? Not a dollar, not a penny. Maybe 1/100th of a penny, maybe. When do you think Doge will go back over 65 cents in early to mid 2022? Want to learn the technicals of analysis? Do you recommend an online course? Oh man, no, I don't know. For me, it's been pretty much piecemeal, just acquiring knowledge over time. What's her name? Crypto Wendio. You know how she learned technical analysis was by buying a book like Technical Analysis for Dummies. I have a lot of respect for the fact that she admitted that. Bear market going to start in September? I don't think so. No, I think it's going to start much later than that. ADA Alonso. I mean, Cardano. Do you mean? I don't know what you're saying. What about VeChain Rocket? I love VeChain. I love it. So you're welcome, Jeremy. Will ADA Alonso meet timeline for smart contracts? Do you mean Cardano? And they probably won't. They never do. BTT, I would stay away from BTT. I mean, it'll go up like everything else, but Justin Sun, anything he touches, I want nothing to do with it. ICP 15% up today, yeah. You're welcome, Critical Care Now. Never sell your ETH. Need to buy, get a loan. Ooh, okay. All right, Alonzo hard fork. Okay. All right. Vet is pumping now. Good. Things should be pumping. And be worth more than percentage of your loan. Yeah. Quant's a beast. Quant does what Quant does. No, it makes no sense to make a prediction. All right, Alonzo is the hard fork. I think he means they're on track to meet the smart contract deadline. Are they? Because they're so finally wonderful. It's about time. I know you love VeChain. What is your price target end of the cycle? $1. What should I buy today? Ethereum. You should buy Ethereum and a nice Dunkin' Donuts. Where'd I go? Dunkin' Donuts coffee. They pay me $1 million a day to advertise for them. So I definitely feel like I should advertise for Dunkin' Donuts. Nothing hits the spot like a smooth Dunkin' Donuts coffee. Babyface Alex, here I am. What would you buy with 5K? 40% Ethereum, 25% Bitcoin. Chainlink, and spread the rest out. Chainlink, HBAR, Matic, Maker, Theta, Cardano, Polkadot, XRP, XLM. You think NFTs on ADA will be a thing or best to mint on ETH? Ooh. Eventually, but when is the question, Bora Horza? It's like, yeah. For now, yeah, ETH. Do it on ETH. ETH to flip Bitcoin in market cap, yeah. Not this cycle, but, this decade, yeah. Why you say it makes no sense to make a prediction on Quant? Because Quant is not affected. It seems to be completely decoupled from the rest of the market. So Quant goes up. What Pablo is not talking about volumes in lower 30s anymore. Yeah, he's not. Duncan, yeah, Sambo, Duncan. Love the Duncan. Lower 20s, yeah, not talking about lower. Hey, Smiles, what's up, man? I already have ETH. Should I buy another 2K? I mean, what else do you have? I mean, if you're satisfied with the amount of ETH that you own, yeah, sure, spread it out. I would with that 2K, I would still buy about 40% in ETH. All 5K in Quant, okay. When shutdown occurs on September, get ready for a big dump. No. We were shocked in March of 2020. Nothing will shock us. We know exactly what to expect this time. And the government will send us more of that stimulus money and we'll put it straight into crypto. HBAR, I love HBAR, yeah. On track and at the station at the same time are two different things, so who knows when the time comes. Yeah, exactly, anime. All right, guys, follow me on YouTube. I am live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. I got a notification. Jerome G, if you're around, thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Messages around XRP seem to be mixed. Really can't make head or tail of it. Can you shed light? The XRP people are insane. Thank you, LA girlfriend. So that really turns me off, actually. I wish they were more level-headed about XRP. So as far as the hate is concerned, I don't know how valid that is either. Yeah, Quant isn't on Voyager. You're on Point Engine, also in Mana, so we can capture NFT gaming disruption. All right. If you're playing with $500 for short terms, what's your picks? I don't do short term. Yeah, but buy Ethereum and hold it for 20 years. How about that? That's short enough term for me. People, do your research. HBAR's good. Yeah, truly. Let's see. Where do you buy and how? I mostly buy on Voyager. Well, not mostly on Voyager. I mean, that's my favorite platform. And use my referral code ALE749. A is in Apple, L is in Larry, E is in Elephant, 749. You'll get $25 of free Bitcoin, and you'll skip the waiting list. I got in and jumped out early on ACH. Crying right now. Whew, oh, man. LMAO, you're something. Aldo, hey, how about tell me something. Tell me what your problem is right now, other than the fact that you eat your own feces. If anyone thinks this time lockdowns will calm down is a fool, yeah. I have 15K 40% ETH, 30% Cardano, 30% Solana. Should I reallocate? I think that's great. I would get some Chainlink. I mean, I would recommend Bitcoin. No one wants Bitcoin, but Bitcoin will correct into the teens. No. What's going on with Matic? I mean, it's rising. So is Pablo crying right now, you think? He's probably crying. Australia's on lockdowns, so I feel bad for him. All right, even though you mentioned a bad month for September, Californians will get a $600 stimulus. Wow, would that change your thoughts? All right, $600, about 40 million people live in California. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so I don't know. 600 times 40 million is 240 million, 2.4 billion. 2.4 billion, it's not going to make a huge difference, honestly. No, 24 billion. All right. ADA or Matic, pick one for long term. ADA. Why is Matic not going up? It's going up a little bit. You just got to be patient. Is your referral for Voyager only good for new accounts? I think so, yeah. Thank you, Jay Zeno, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Really appreciate that. Thank you, Buster. Really appreciate that. I did not know. Who are you? Sorry, I'm going to follow you. I'm supposed to follow at least people who are on my Patreon. So, all right, we're friends now. So, 70% ETH. That's great, Aaron Bell. XRP to the moon. Yep. Buy Divi coin. You checked into it, right? I haven't checked into Divi coin. Sorry. What's another coin you like besides Bitcoin and Ether? I like so many cryptos, but Chainlink, Quant, Solana. Do you think ACH? I'm not paying attention to ACH at all. BTX will correct in the teens. Okay. Can you type out or see your referral code again? 1 second. My friend Sports Stories is going to do it. All right. Sports Stories has typed out my referral code. So, Alex, I stressing about FOMOing into quant. Are you feeling the same? Yeah, I want more quant, but I'm very nervous about buying more right now. So, I've not looked into VXV or ALBT. Sorry. Polygon opinion, please. Hold on a second. I'm behind. Please don't spam. Polygon opinion, I like it for short term and medium term, not for long term. So do you think it's a good idea to get into quant now? Like if you had $1,000, put $200 into quant today and then see what happens. XRP, $15 end of the year. I disagree, but I wouldn't be shocked. Pablo isn't crying because he doesn't admit when he's wrong. Yeah. Uniswap, I've been saying that Uniswap after EIP 1559 is launched would be bullish, and it's gone up a lot since I've started saying that. FTM is a little oversold right now. Hold on. Why does it seem like crypto is dying? I don't think it's I mean, why does it seem to you like crypto is dying? It does not seem that way at all to me. Bitcoin is up, from this time last year 5x. Ethereum is up 9x. Crypto's dying. Polygon, I answered that. What are NFTs and what's the hype? Man, NFTs, it's like a digital JPG. I still don't get it. But, man, there is a lot of hype, and I'm probably missing out. So, whoa, hey, Bitcoin's pumping. Pablo was a Bitcoin bear, yeah. Give me 1 second here. Man, I'm way behind. What are your thoughts on the real estate market? So this isn't 2008. Guys, so my computer's killing me right now. All right, here we go. This isn't 2008. So 2008 was marked by insane greed. This is more desperation. So there is a difference. Are we in a bubble with the real estate market? I would say so, yeah. But it's like a lot of people are just like, I want a house. Can I get a house, please? Should I sell my Matic and buy Litecoin? Not all of it, but some, yeah. Man, all right. My computer's killing me. Pablo's tone has changed. He's not laughing anymore. Maybe he realized he's miscalculated. Yeah. The Hex issue started when BitBoy and Richard Hart called out Alex Saunders for unpaid Bitcoin loans. Okay. Yeah. Up 5x means it's dying back to fair value. Okay. NFT could disrupt gaming or be a huge boost for gaming. I might need to get into gaming for NFT purposes. So 300 to invest in Quant or Litecoin for the cycle. I would say Litecoin. Whoa, I would not trade Matic for Lite. Okay. Amp comments. Buy. You buy an NFT skin in one game and sell it and use it in another. Oh, wow. That's really interesting. 2008 inbound, though. I hope so. I want to buy a house. Wow, Bitcoin is pumping right now. Come on, short squeeze. What pushes Shiba? The community, which is why I don't like it. Yeah, Bitcoin just jumped big time. NFTs can also be used by musicians. Yeah, that sounds good. Waiting for another dip in 30K Bitcoin. Want to accumulate more. Is it okay to buy now? You're not getting 30K Bitcoin. You had 6 weeks. No, it's 8 weeks or something like that. 12 weeks. I don't remember how much. We're done with 30K Bitcoin. I mean, not 30s. We might go back down to the 30s, but 30K, no. Thank you, Carlos Nunez, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. And guys, I'm also live on Instagram. I created an Instagram today, so follow me on Insta. I've never gotten into Instagram. So 2000 was debt collapse. Now it's supply demand. Please learn. Okay, shut up. Shut up. That's what I say to you. Don't tell me to please learn. Man, I have been around this space longer than you have. I was a realtor. I was a mortgage agent. I understand. They want a house because the payments for a house are lower than renting an apartment or an apartment. Yeah. Also, traditional artists, all right, can create an NFT for their work. So there's definitely potential with NFTs. But like selling squiggly lines for 10 ETH doesn't make sense to me. Litecoin in 10 years, no idea. Sorry. Do you hold it if Litecoin hits 1,000 or sell? I'll probably sell a decent amount of it. So Pablo needs to act human. Yes, he does. Thank you, Fast Dave. What pushes Shiba? I answered that. Word up, Alex. Thank you, King Kush. 600 million spent on skins in Apex Legends alone. Huge market. Fantastic. I don't understand how some NFTs are selling for like 350 ETH. Seems insane to me. Now, there's that one. I don't remember the one, like the second ever NFTs created. It's like these bros, these boys. That makes sense to me in the sense that that's history, you know? The Blockchain Boy made an interesting TikTok about that. But it's insane. How far do you think Quant will reach this cycle? I have no idea. Higher. What will you do if or when Bitcoin goes I'll cry, I guess. Shave. What will you do if Bitcoin, when or if Bitcoin goes under 30K? It won't, but I won't sell. I'm holding my Bitcoin for 20 years at least. Bitcoin, big candle, 41.6. Yeah, Litecoin over Quant. Seriously, yeah. Quant is scary to me right now. And Litecoin, I've made my arguments right now for Litecoin being a phenomenal short-term gain possibility, whereas Quant is, what is Quant going to do right now? Is it overpriced? I'm just very nervous about Quant. With also while wanting to buy more Quant. With NFTs, the original owner creator can make a percentage from each transaction. Yeah. Man, all right, come on. Pablo says, Bitcoin going to the moon. You truly don't believe Bitcoin will not go back to the 20s? I truly believe that Bitcoin will not go back to the 20s. And I can give you plenty of analysts who have said that Bitcoin is not going back to the 20s as well. So I want to buy a house. Is now a good time? Oh, man, that's a tough question, Nunez. I have no idea what to say to you. because I'm in the same position. I sold my house in one state, moved to another state. I'm renting now, and I want to buy a house. And I don't know. You know, what I would say is, like, don't buy a starter house or anything like that. Buy one that you're going to live in for 20 years or something. NFT bubble, just like EV bubble back then. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, NFTs, there are certain aspects about it that are absolutely a bubble. Yeah. So if Litecoin goes up, doesn't it mean Doge will also go up? A little bit, yeah. Yeah, to an extent, yes. That is a very good point, AJ. So maybe I'm wrong about all other cryptos outperforming Doge. Look at Bitcoin price, yeah. Mongo, you're welcome, thank you. ACH up 30% in the last hour. Yeah. Oh, hey, Todd Hart made another 1,000 on ACH. Stay away from ACH, man. You've missed the boat if you haven't gotten in yet. Yeah, Spider-Man on Vive, excellent. ETH in 6 years, higher. I'm not 5 figures, somewhere in the 5-figure range. I would take a shot. I want to take a shot every time someone asks about quant. Elrond is running today. Haven't paid attention. Sorry if you said this already, but what are we doing about this infrastructure amendment? Holding. I'm not. So there's time. It's not going to get enacted until 2023. It's really sad for the United States, but it's not going to kill crypto. So be patient. If only one coin to invest in, is it ETH? Yes. 20-year, are you not going to sell any because we're going to get older when we need a son before we die? Soto, I'm not sure what you're saying, but look, I'll make plenty of money on other cryptos. I'm just not going to sell my Bitcoin. Do you consider yourself open-minded? If so, how can you not believe it will not? Man, Steven, oh man, you're killing me, man. Just watch my TikToks, okay? I have been very clear. Oh man, I have a time limit on Instagram. So I'm not going to be live on Instagram for another minute or so. Just Steven, guys, Steven, I've been very clear about where I stand on this. I've done lots and lots and lots of research. I've done a ton of research on this, okay? I am open-minded, but I have come to the conclusion that we are not going back to the 20s, that the direction we are moving now is up. I sounded just like him. Why does Buffett and Munger think Bitcoin is going to zero, or are they misinformed? Buffett, the last I checked, is 92 years old, and Munger is like 97. You think they care about this disruptor? They want Bitcoin to die. That's more of a preference for them. So, man, I'm so far behind. Sorry. Will we see Litecoin at 140 or under again? It's possible, yeah. I'm not sure. I mean, I set a buy order for 133 yesterday, and it didn't get filled, and I canceled it today and bought it market. Why did Bitcoin blow up? It's time. It's time. Quant is just too good. Should I hang on to Doge? Yes. Thank you for reading all the comments. I'm trying. Thank you for not getting too angry at me when I told you to shut up. I suppose I apologize about that. What's your bear market time prediction? Mid to late 2022 will be the beginning. Hello, Adam. While the rates are low in real estate, good to get low interest. Good point. Yeah, good point. Yep. Do you buy ETH on your Roth IRA? I don't know how to do that. But yeah, crypto in retirement is just not. It's pretty much non-existent. So how much more so will that affect the price once that becomes mainstream? Yeah, ACH going to the moon. I'm seeing people talk about it. Calm down. You're so angry. No, I'll just keep talking the way I talk. I have no intention of touching ACH right now. Quick one, I'd like to stake Cake, but literally all in on ETH. Think it's worth to just hold ETH. ETH is safer than Cake. I mean, man, just hold on to your ETH. Again, I am live on YouTube as well. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am able to answer every question on YouTube. It's harder on TikTok. What analysts have you listened to that don't reinforce your views? I mean, lots of people on TikTok. But listen, I follow a wide variety of people on Twitter, Steven. And there's plenty of bears on there. There's Trader SZ. There's the Nebraskan Gooner who has turned bullish lately. There's lots of people. And so tell me your analysts, because I'm always open to being proven wrong. I think I would love to know who your analysts are. Please tell me. And don't tell me Crypto Whale, because he's a tool. ACH is mooning right now. You know about it. Yeah, I know it's mooning. Stay away. Zilliqa, I like Zilliqa. I've been reading some stuff about Zilliqa that they're entering into gaming. They're doing some things with gaming that I'm like, dude, gaming right now is where it's at. So top 5 coins: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. But I'm tempted to throw Quant and Solana in there, but that's more than top 5. Should we hang on to Shiba? Yes. You should check out Karura, maybe in the bear market. Sorry. Thank you, Raw Weep. Adam, thank you. Cheers, mate. Was looking at cake stating for the interest, but don't really want to sell any ETH. Yeah. Thoughts on Litecoin? I've been making some controversial comments about Litecoin. That is my number 1 short-term crypto right now. Number 1. So yeah, games, what's up? Thoughts on VThor and Hot? I like VeChain, so I like VThor. Hot, I own about $500 worth. I expect that to 10 or 20x. So, hi bro, just saw one coin on CoinMarketCap and is booming. FIS, is it worth buying? Never heard of FIS. No, I have heard of FIS, but I don't know. Bitcoin is at $41,800 right now. What about DOT in that top tier list? It's probably top 10, maybe top 15. I mean, I love all of my top 15 coins. Thank you, Gus and AJLM, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Really, really appreciate that, guys. So, all right, 1 second. All right, Stephen Buriak, you tagged those guys. Cool. I follow 3 of them. I'm not familiar with the Blockchain Gang. Maybe I should check Blockchain Gang out. Next announcement sends Quant to 250. Bitcoin squeeze. We'll see. There was a whale. I don't know if this is still happening, but there was a whale who was stuck at 38.4K. So maybe he's getting squeezed right now, or maybe, I don't know. We're looking at a dip after the squeeze, perhaps. You look happier that Bitcoin is back. Always, man. I love Bitcoin. Staffy, FIS. Okay. Pablo He-Man. Oh, you're giving me your influencers. For a second, I was like, what are you doing, Steven? Oh, man. You are so behind. Steven. I am openly opposed to Pablo. I mean, and Pablo has changed his tune. Crypto Weatherman, it has not quite changed his tune, but he has revised his predictions. The last time I saw him make a prediction for Bitcoin, he said 27K. Magic Internet Money, I haven't really paid much attention to his videos. But, dude, if that's... I feel fine standing in opposition to those guys. No worries about that. What I would say about Pablo in particular is that he is a very smart guy, but he does not know Bitcoin. He is tone deaf about Bitcoin. Pablo, if you are listening, you are tone deaf about Bitcoin. There are certain parameters that exist with Bitcoin, and you willfully just go beyond the bounds that exist with Bitcoin. And you don't know entirely what you're talking about with it. You know what's going on in the world. You're a smart guy. But no. Okay. Why Zilliqa? I mean, just some things that I've read about it. I don't own any Zilliqa, so I expect Link to reach at least $500. This is too much energy. I know. $500 this cycle. What do you think? I think that's too high. I mean, is it possible? Yeah. How much is Bitcoin right now? 41,730. Is Dogecoin done, or do we expect it to grow? I think it'll go higher. WGAT. Pablo, yeah, come on. What's your account on YouTube? World War Bitcoin, just right behind me. Look at it. So. Selling Chromia to buy Quant. Okay. Ship to a penny. Never. Sorry, didn't get your Insta. World War Bitcoin. XLM to $15. Wow. Okay. Yeah, Doge is not done. I'd look 10 years younger. Yeah, but it's growing back. You can see it's growing back. Yeah, Instagram is World War Bitcoin. Can you please repeat your top 5? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. Pablo, he has tunnel vision. Yeah. Facts. We're going up, no doubt. But there's going to be a revisit to lower ranges. It's possible. Yeah, sure. It's possible. Yeah. You're right, Steven. It is possible. But no, I'm very comfortable disagreeing with the guys who you mentioned. Thank you, XSC Space. I try. Thank you, Rakib. I am the MVP when it comes to crypto for July, at least, and I should have more followers than I do, but it's all good. It'll come with time. AMD long term. You talking about the stock, Daniel? I don't have one. I think Bitcoin is going to pump again. I mean, I've been saying August was going to be a good month. You know, we'll flirt with 50,000 this month. So, bro, do you think I should buy more quant now or wait? Oh, man. DCA, buy some today, buy some tomorrow. Is it good to buy today? I mean, things are up, but I in general, I think that especially for Bitcoin, Ethereum, yeah, today's a good day. Every day's a good day. Is it worth trading, selling all other coins, reinvesting in Bitcoin and ETH? Crypto D, I don't know, man. Bitcoin and ETH, I think over the next month are going to outperform those, but you might miss some major gains with altcoins pumping if you do that. Thank you, Jason. Thank you. 8K dollar in Matic. Shall I convert to ETH? Some. If you don't have any ETH, you got to get some ETH. Not financial advice. What you expect total market cap to be at the top of bull run? Around 10 trillion. Maybe 8 trillion. Yeah, anything's possible. Waves, GTC, don't know enough. Why does everyone always want the price to go down? I don't know. Yeah, good question. Thank you, G Siri. Oh, Gus. Yeah, Gus19. Thanks a lot, man. Really appreciate that. Talk about Bitcoin Cash, please. Bitcoin Cash is trash, but you know, as Bitcoin goes up, Bitcoin Cash will grow, will go up too, and so it's good for short-term plays, but not long-term. Amp's at a buy right now. I like Amp. My girlfriend thinks you're handsome. You know, my female followers since I shaved my beard has gone up. So, but I'm gonna grow it back. Thank you, Adam Walsh for the weights. Do you think Donda Coin by Kanye will finally IPO? I don't know what Donda Coin is. I'm not paying attention to that. ACH, stay far away from ACH right now. Converted Submatic to Solana. Good call. Will you let us know when you exit your altcoins? Yeah, absolutely, Nunez. Just bought a bunch of Litecoin. Let's go. All right. Quant under 250 must be a good buy. Yeah, I mean, listen, I mean, what should you say? It seems to... up to 3 females. Hey, you know what? If you're insulting me, that's fine. I do have a lot more male followers than I do female, which, I mean, you should expect that with not being the most pretty man in the world. I'm sure someone like Mac Lorden has a ton of female followers. Such a good-looking guy. It depends on what analyst you listen to. Savvy is opposite, so is I don't know what you're. All right, is Ethereum Classic washed out? It'll pump higher. Yeah, Bitcoin flirting with 42K. That's a big one. Yeah. What's the hype with Litecoin at the moment? You got to check out my Twitter account. I retweeted something like 2 or 3 days ago, a thread giving 12 reasons why Litecoin is a great for short term. 251 in the house. What's up, 251? Bitcoin too expensive. ETH and quant. Oh, you're breaking my heart. You're breaking my heart, man. Nothing but love, but oh, that just breaks my heart. All right. Just bought Zilliqa. Okay. Hey, what's up, Nicholas Baxter? My man. Do you think Bitcoin will go over 42K this weekend? That's going to be very tough, Rakib. 42K is such a barrier. It is such a barrier. Your brain is more handsome than that Brad bit. Okay. Adam Walsh, thank you. $1,000 in USD coin staking. Think it would be better to buy ETH with it or even Litecoin? ETH, bro. Oh man, I don't usually say bro. Who's here to look at you? No offense. Yeah, there we go, Jason. I mean the women. No offense, women. It's true though. If I was like a 6'3" charming white man, you'd follow me more. Don't go breaking don't go breaking my heart. It's the only one I got. Gassan, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Anna, I appreciate you. Why is 42 a barrier? Sorry, I'm falling behind. All right. Give me a second. I'm going to read a different comment first. Do you think the new bill in crypto could push the market up before something goes into effect? Why would it push it up? I think it's really encouraging that it hasn't pushed it down, and that's not going into effect until 2023. So I'm feeling okay about it. I mean, it sucks long term for the United States, but yeah. All right. So why is 42 a barrier? January 8th, we went up to $42,000, and that was a huge level of resistance, and it took a month and a half to break through. And the catalyst that sent it through $42,000 was Tesla buying Bitcoin. That like launched it through. And that if Tesla didn't buy Bitcoin, that would have been a barrier for another month at least. And then on the way down, once it broke through $42,000, it was like you pulled the plug and everything just flushed out. So $42,000 is huge. I was thinking to invest 10K over 5 coins, Bitcoin, ETH, ADA, XRP, and Litecoin. I think that's great. Your granddad, definitely. I rolled a Roth into iTrust Capital. Check it out, tax-free. I will definitely check it out. Yeah, somebody mentioned that yesterday. So be respectful, yeah. I'm not the most respectful guy in the world, so it's okay if they follow my lead. Apart from Bitcoin is your name, why so much love Bitcoin? I believe in Bitcoin as a digital store of value superior to gold. At the very least. I don't know about a Bitcoin standard versus a dollar standard. I don't know about that. I don't care if Bitcoin isn't used in transactions. The thing that I care about is Bitcoin is superior to gold as a store of value. Gold's market cap globally is $10 trillion. There is no reason at all why Bitcoin's market cap should be less than $10 trillion one day. Anyway, that would put it at about $500,000 per Bitcoin. I'm holding 0.25 Bitcoin forever. Yes. All spare cash going into quant. Yes. All right. I'm way behind. A Lost Soul. Thank you. Alex, that's BS. Something is BS. Cycles. You've got to understand that. The first thing you need to understand about anything related to crypto is Bitcoin's halving cycles. Institutional bought at 37,500 rocket. Yes. Have you explored taking advantage of Voyager's 9% interest? No, I don't think it's too risky. I think that's great. Yeah. How can quant go down this month? I don't know. People taking profits. I'm gorgeous. Okay. Thank you. You and my gorgeous husband look like brothers. All right. Thank you so much. The market is the market. Nothing stops it going up or down. Okay. ETH to flip Bitcoin this year? I don't think so. Is Ethereum a good buy right now, even when it's so high? I believe so. And Crypto D, if I didn't thank you so much for your encouraging words. Quant not going anywhere but up to 250. I hope you're right, Raweep. I wish you make a video about Filecoin one day. Try shipping 100K worth of gold. Exactly, Jose. Just zoom out to the daily chart. ETH is still a bargain. Yep. Thank you, Plum. Is Quant a forever hold? Perhaps, Jenna. I'm not entirely willing to declare that yet, but the fact that there's only 14.5 million quant in existence and the fact that it seems like it's decoupled from Bitcoin makes me very curious about it. I thought TikTok banned these accounts. Good to see you. Yeah, I don't promote random junk coins. There's times that I kick them off. I have a friend on here who has 100,000 followers. He promoted iDoge and he got some airdrop to him, and that iDoge went to Dia. I don't think it's guaranteed. There was a stretch for like several weekends in a row when we had dips, but that hasn't been the trend lately. Just DCA, Bitcoin, ETH, and Quant. Maybe add DOT. Sounds good. Thoughts on the month of September? I think it's going to be rocky. I think Bitcoin will close lower in September than it will in August. Take my wife on a date. No, thank you. My wife's birthday is in 3 days. I'm going to take her on a date. Would you convert Matic to ETH? Some, yeah. ETH a buy now, always, every day. XYO is looking pretty good. And I made a video a few months ago about the app where you can mine some coin and convert it to XYO. So I think your internet is spread thin with all the lives up. I only have 2 right now, Jose. I'm sorry if things are slow on YouTube. There's really nothing I can do about it. So, or maybe I could get some kind of range extender or something. What happened to DEX? Is it still a goodbye, longer, short term? I'm not paying attention at all to DEX, so I don't know. 41.9, $100 more to 42,000. Let's break through this. Keep the integrity. Yeah, long term, I think that's better. Why September rocky? September is the worst month with stocks, at least. So yeah, September. That I think that there's stocks that correlate with crypto. So why don't you think we'll bottom in the winter? I don't know. Why would I think that? That's a really interesting question. Every 4 years, the winter has been the time when things have gone parabolic. So XRP, yes or no? Yes. Should I wait on purchasing Litecoin, XRP, or Cardano? If you wait, don't wait too long, like a day or 2, really. So why will September be rocky? I answered that. Good morning, Maboob, New York. Okay, interesting name. Lagging hard. Sorry, man. Is it lagging on TikTok too? Because you could go to TikTok. I haven't heard nobody on TikTok has complained about a lag. But all right, it's good now. I have not traded lately. Can you speak on gas fees now? It doesn't seem like they've gone down. Zero rich. So how often do you take profits? Not very often. I just when I see things go parabolic. I don't know anything about digital coins. I want to get started. What do you recommend? Download Voyager or TikTok's fine. Good. Download Voyager. Voyager is my favorite app. Use my referral code ALE749. A is in Apple, L is in Larry, E is in Elephant, 749. You get $25 of free Bitcoin and you skip the waiting list. So, and just buy Bitcoin and Ethereum for now. H-bar price target in 5 to 10 years. That's very difficult. I think at least double digits dollar-wise. Maybe even triple digits. So, Tick Tom. What about New York users? Yeah, man, just Coinbase. And use Coinbase Pro because fees are lower. Oh, man, I'm done with my Dunkin' Donuts coffee. All right. ALE749. ALE749, that's the code. People know stocks lag in September, October. Maybe they play crypto for a couple months. I hope so. Can I buy through Venmo? I don't think so. You can buy on PayPal. Yeah, ALE749 is the code on Voyager. Do you anticipate a 90% crypto drop when we enter near this market? When we enter near market this cycle, bear market. 90% for several cryptos, it's going to be 90+%. Yes, not for Bitcoin, not for Ethereum, not for Cardano. The difference between this time and last time for a lot of it is staking. I don't think people are going to be as incentivized to sell their crypto at the peak as last time. So, is Matic going to be worth it after ETH's update? That is a question that I'm wrestling with, and I'm not sure. Bitcoin versus Bitcoin wrapped. Wrapped Bitcoin just gives you the opportunity to do things on Ethereum's platform that you can't do otherwise with Bitcoin. The last I checked, like 1.3% of all Bitcoin was wrapped, and it's growing, which is another of many things that has me uber bullish right now. So, all right, can you explain proof of work versus proof of stake in layman's term? Proof of work is mining. So I'm sure you've heard of Bitcoin mining. Maybe Duncan will airdrop me a new one that's funny. Bitcoin mining is proof of work. So that's how you work. Your computer, whatever, does the work. Proof of stake is staking. You hold your crypto on a platform, on a node, and you get returns on that. Compound interest account for New York user. Okay. Are Dunkin' Donuts fried or baked? I don't know. Man, I'm way behind. Sorry. How long will your beard take to grow back? I don't know. A couple weeks. Hello, visually stimulating. Explain gas fees, please. It's just fees. The amount it costs to do a transaction. I was giving my fish a bath. What do you say about HBAR? HBAR's long-term hold. Buy Bitcoin on Cash App. You can. When are you thinking about starting to take profits from the altcoins this time? When things go parabolic again, when things shoot up crazy. So, best place to buy quant in the U.S. You can buy it on Coinbase. Nothing work in New York except Coinbase and KuCoin. Any other app? I don't know, man. Yeah, New York sucks. What's a good coin to buy now? Ethereum and Litecoin. Thoughts on MicroStrategy? I'd rather own actual crypto than MicroStrategy. Yeah. You can buy crypto on Venmo. Okay. Chat's got hot. Yep. What are your thoughts on XYO? It's been doing good this past year. Yeah, I like XYO. I use the app, the coin app, to mine some crypto a little bit, and I convert that to XYO. So how do you think in September we will have a fall in currencies, or will we continue even higher? September I don't think is going to be a great month, but October, November, and December will. 15 of us watching, hit the thumbs up for the algorithm. There we go. How do I stake Bitcoin on Binance.us? I don't know. I don't have Binance.us. Man, I'm behind. If you had 10K, where would you invest? 40% Ethereum, 25% Bitcoin. Chainlink, spread the rest out. Chainlink, HBAR, Matic, Maker, Theta, BNB, XRP. Did you say triple-digit HBAR potentially one day, far in the future? I saw crypto machines in Vegas. I'm guessing it's expensive. Buy, sell on those. Probably, Michael. Theta doing good, nearly even. Excellent. Was Bitcoin and ETH saw as more of a gamble 5 years ago than now? Probably, yeah. What's up, Justin? What price do you see ETH in 1 year? 15,000 or so, or it'll peak at 15,000 within next year? Thank you so much, Richard. Hey, I'm good. I'm doing well. Visually stimulating. I hope you're well. Sorry, I was driving. Can you repeat where to buy digital coins so I can write it down? Voyager. And only if you're new to this, only buy Bitcoin and Ethereum for now. Should I buy ETH and Bitcoin today? Every day. Dollar cost average. Thank you, Keyhem. Thank you so much. How do you think August, September, November, December will look? I think August will be good. September will not be good. October, November, December will be very good. Do you think this legislation on brokers will pass tomorrow? Yes, I do, unfortunately. Do you believe in lengthening cycles? I believe in lengthening bull runs within 4-year cycles. So, yeah. But not lengthening cycles as in like, all right, it's going to take 5 years this time and then 6 years. I don't think so. What else can you mine for free like BNPI? XYO, Nicholas. XYO. Wait for weekend affectation to buy any coins. Okay. California loves these new taxing possibilities. California, it's like taxes. Ooh, taxes? Can I have some taxes? Stay away from Binance. They are thieves. Okay. Market's doing well lately. Why is that? It's because of ETH upgrade. I think that's a part of it. User Cookie Monster. I think that it's just also part of it. Like hash rate is recovering. July has been the last two bull runs, 3 bull runs, including this one. July has been the bottom. It's been the bottom, and then it's shot up since then. Bitcoin will be 100K by September, according to BitBoy. I disagree. I don't think it'll hit 100K till 2022. I hope he's right, though. New amendment in infrastructure bill forces proof of stake instead of proof of work. No, I don't think that's right. It's Joshua Jake made a video, and he shared a clip from Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano. And Charles Hoskinson said that the infrastructure bill like hammers proof of stake, and so I don't know. I'm curious as to where you're getting that source from. Polka Music. Thoughts on Polkadot New? I love Polkadot, but I'm not sure what you're saying. New. I'm well, thanks. Good. You're welcome for the info. How do you stake your crypto? There's lots of different ways. Lots and lots of different ways. I prefer PancakeSwap.finance. So, all right. Cardano, I like but don't love Cardano. It's like, when are the smart contracts ever going to roll out? Am I going to be a skeleton? I won't, but, All right. I was doing some reading on FLR. Looks well similar to current banking system. Haven't paid attention to it. Yeah, Cardano, do you think the market will go down soon? I think that this month is generally going to be up. Do you see Labor Day in September as the start of the upturn? We have started the upturn already. Bitcoin on July 20th was $29,000. So, I don't know. Yeah, double tap for Al Gore's rhythm. Yes, I said July would be the bottom, and no one believed me. Remember, I don't remember. I said July would be the bottom. So hey, we agreed. How much of your net worth is in crypto? Like 90%. I am not into any NFTs, and I might regret that. I need to go. See you later, visually stimulating. Cardano hard fork goes live in a few weeks. According to them, we'll see. XYO Network, what's your referral code? Nicholas, go to my website, worldwarbitcoin.info, and you'll get a referral code link there. worldwarbitcoin.info. How did you get into crypto? You know, in 2008, I was really curious as to what happened as far as the stock market crash. So I did a ton of research, and I did a ton of research on what they were doing, on what they were trying, what the proposed solutions were. And I thought, this is insane. You guys are insane. All this quantitative ease and stuff. So I got really into precious metals. And then when I first heard about crypto, it was an easy transition, super easy transition. So no, the beard, it's growing back. It's coming back. Where you live, bro, Midwest. Any news on quant staking? I don't know. If there's any news on quant staking, sign me up. XRP not done anything despite so-called links with banks. Yeah, that's true. That's true. What's happening with Ethereum? It's going up. I'm not sure your question. What car and property would you like to have once you become wealthy? I will drive a Toyota Camry. I own a Toyota Camry. I will continue to drive it. Property, I just want some land. I want some land where I can have animals and grow my own food and make sure that, you know, when everything crashes, that I'm not screwed. What amount was Bitcoin when you got in? It was 4 figures, somewhere in the 4 figures. Let's see, where in the Midwest? The Midwest. Sorry, I'm a little sensitive about sharing that kind of information. Any thoughts on Mina protocol? The technology does not exist for Mina to do what they say they're going to do. Will it one day? Sure, it will. But it's more wait and see for me on that. Hey, man, how can I stake Polkadot? Voyager, use my referral code ALE749. Voyager. What are my life goals and aspirations for my kids to be Christian? And for them, my children are my life goals and aspirations. So I'm hitting the gym soon. Just want to say thank you, Dinsty. Thank you so much. Has anyone asked you for a selfie? No, I haven't been recognized in public yet. I'm way too small for that. But maybe one day, maybe I'll go to like the Bitcoin conference or something, and then people will be like, "Yo, it's World War Bitcoin." No, Ragid, crypto didn't exist in 2008. Bitcoin. Do you think DeFi coins will make a larger run by the end of the year? Yes. Yeah. Bitcoin is at 42,100. I'm seeing 41,009. Is it at 42,000? Thoughts on ICP? I hate ICP with the heat of 1,000 suns, but I am in general bullish, unfortunately. So, yeah, I'm seeing 41.9 for Bitcoin right now. ETH at 28.16, a good buy. Haha, Ragid, I see you, man. Yeah, yes, it is. Which crypto can get anywhere near to Bitcoin in price? Maker, there's only 1 million Maker in existence. Maybe one day far into the future, ETH, you know, if it gets super deflationary. See a Redbeard. Yearn Finance has already been higher than Bitcoin. Oh, shoot. Whoa, here's the short squeeze. 42.3 right now. Oh, my. Oh, my. All right, answer, please. Bitcoin is on fire. Okay, I answered. You stake XRP on Nexo? No, I don't. He's already rich with 80 ETH and some Bitcoin. I don't have 80 ETH, but, you know, I have a good amount of ETH. Which crypto can get anywhere near to Bitcoin? I answered that. Good thought. Thoughts on Harmony 1? I'm bullish, but nothing really. So, Have you noticed most crypto guys want to be out in the countryside? Yeah, pools guy. There are certain things that crypto guys are in general. They are very, what's the word? They're libertarian, and so me, I'm not socially libertarian, but I'm fiscal. All right, sorry, this live chat. Okay, sorry, I know I missed some things. My computer, my internet went out on my computer, so I missed some comments here. Do you think Quant goes to 140? It could, but we'll see. Only bought 600 pounds of ETH, now worth 700. Shall I take profit? Just leave it, just passing time. I would recommend leaving it. We can govern a libertarian society with smart contracts. There we go. Quant to 140, maybe, but man, I wouldn't bet on it. What's your ethnicity? I'm mixed Portuguese and Cape Verdean. Yeah, Bitcoin, smile. Are we back in the bull market now? No, not yet. I want to see. We've gone over $42,000 already, Ragid. I want to see us test that. I want to see us get above the 200-day simple moving average. That's about $44,000, and then test that as support as well. 1,000 USD coin staking at 9%. Would that money be better off in ETH or maybe Litecoin? I answered that question already. I said yes, ETH. So Solana price prediction by 2023. I think that's going to be the middle of the bear market. So I'd say like $50 right now. Yeah, it hasn't bounced off it. Yep. FTM's pump. A lot of things are pumping. Port in what again? Portugal and Cape Verde. Cape Verde is an island in Africa. For my YouTube to get reconnected. Peace out. Man, this is a great day. It's a beautiful day. Goodbye. Much love to you all. Follow me on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Follow me on Twitter, WW Bitcoin. I think I'm going to go live later today. We'll see about that. Time to get fiber optic. Man, yeah. All right. Peace. YouTube. Is YouTube connected right now? Am I back on YouTube? I'm so frustrated right now. I set it up all. Now I do is click a button. There we go, Nicholas. All right, so I am going to hop off, but I'm going to do something to improve my internet here. So sorry again for the trouble. Really frustrating. But have a good one. Much love to all of you. You guys rule. You're the reason why I do this every single day. I just stole a quote from somebody else. All right, peace. It's not like B. No, you've got to do stuff. You've got to do stuff on it. Just play around with it. You'll figure it out.